Hello lovelies. On today's video I'm making this homemade ice cream. You can just imagine how I got to this point. Can you see how thick and creamy it is? I'm using chocolate biscuits for Oreo's ice cream, then my flavors, condensed milk, my powdered milk. I mixed it, but if you have liquid it's fine. Then the main ingredient is whipping cream. Here I have powdered whipping cream, but if you have the liquid one, fine, it goes and comes out well as well. So I'm adding my milk to the powdered whipping cream. So I'm going to use my hand mixer to mix it very well. As you can see, it's coming and it's turning out well. So you're going to mix and mix and mix and mix, and you have this, and you still continue to mix until it is a bit stiffy. That is when you know, oh, your whipping cream and milk is ready. And here I am adding my condensed milk for just to give it an awesome taste. You just can imagine how it's gonna come out. Then I'm making 3 flavors here. I'm making Oreos. I'm adding my flavor now. I'm making Oreos ice cream, which I'm going to use the biscuit I showed earlier. And then I'm going to use this chocolate powder. You can use any brand you have. It will still come out perfectly well. So this is me here breaking the Oreos biscuits for the Oreos ice cream, and I will be adding this. I'll just take a little batch and then add the Oreos that I've broken. Then I'm going to add it, then mix it before putting into my container to freeze. And this is me. Any container will go if you have your own. This is my old containers for ice creams that I bought. And then isn't it looking beautiful? Yes, so I'm going to make another batch. Here I'll be adding my chocolate chocolate powder. I'm adding the 2, so I want the color to come out very well. Yes, so you mix it very well. At first it will look as if, oh, is it going to come out well? Is it going to come out the chocolate ice cream that I wanted? It is. Can you see? Can you see the end part of it? Then here I'm making my strawberry. So I'm adding my red food coloring. You can use liquid, but I had the powdered one and it came out nice. Then if you have strawberry flavor, you can as well add it. I didn't have at home, so I just make do with what I have. And then your ice cream is ready to freeze. You can design it. So here I didn't get much for the vanilla, but I got small, but I still added it to make my ice cream. Can you see how it is sitting? Then so this is the remaining vanilla one, so I just coated it on top of it. And here my homemade ice cream is ready. And I had to just this is what I got from it. And this is the next morning. Yes, because I had to visit Nepal. You know Nepal now, we were in Nigeria. So this is how it's looking. Can you see? Whoa, look at how thick it is. Just take a good look at how it is. So please guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done that, please like this video, share it to family and friends. They would pick one or two from it. They're going to learn. It came out so nice and so tasty. You will love it. You will love it. Everyone in my house, including my brother, he was so look at his smile. He loved it. He loved it. And of course, Chukwubifu, my taster, look at him. He loved it this particular morning. He was so excited. Thank you. Bye.